let the chicken loose in the garden for the first time. Don't scare them, boys. Just let them loose. Leave the door open in case they want to go back. Yeah. So they're roaming around the garden for the first time. Right, boys? First time they're coming out. Don't scare them, alright? Don't run after them. Just leave them alone. Alright, so they're eating grass.
Why are they eating grass, Dad?
I guess that's part of their diet that they love. Yeah. So they're out in the garden for the first time. Look at their feathers blowing in the wind. Give them some treats. Open the food container, Shay. I bought some dry worms this morning at the pet shop. Be careful, don't let it spill. Alright, hold it properly. Put him down, Timo. He's gonna dig for worms now.
You're looking for worms?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put them on the grab it as well.
Where's the other one? He's still in there. He's a bit shy, don't want to come out and play. Chi 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 chi. Come on. Get him, Shay. Yeah, first time they're roaming around the garden free. All the boys are up here digging in the dirt. Soon they won't be able to dig in here. All my stuff will be planted here. All my cucumber, my tomatoes, my beetroot and everything will be planted up here. So let them carry on having their fun now before it's locked off. Yeah. Work in progress. Greenhouse, all my stuff spurting up. Yeah, at the same time I'm jet washing the slabs, cleaning it all up. Over here done already.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me.
there, Timo, taking a rest. The chicken wearing you out.
No, I was just taking it. That's my back.
Oh, you have to be careful. Where the chickens now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, over here looking for worms. You bury something underneath there, Timo?
Yeah.
We bury under there?
A bowl. I'm gonna leave in there only for one day.
Still have to plant these potatoes. Get some growing boxes and put these in. They're behind the shed, they're behind the shed. Beautiful rosemary. You see all these bumblebees, Shay? Chickens are doing what they do naturally. Looking for food in the dirt all day. Look at what they're doing now. They're having a dirt bath. They're not chalk white anymore. They're dusty and dirty. then again, this is nature. This is all natural. This is chickens being chickens. Where are the chickens now? Over here. They were having a dirt bath right here. Now they move over to the fence. They're on the hunt. They're hunting for worms, boys.
They would have a dirt bath somewhere here. There was
Right
a
here.
dirt bath right there.
Right there, yeah.
So look for worms for them. We just picked up a worm. That was my worm that I dropped.
That's your worm. Where you
Yeah.
find that worm from?
From Africa.
You enjoying it? Pet chickens, boys.
Yeah, yeah,
Timo taking very good care of them.
yeah. Mostly me.
And Ada, you doing it as well? You're helping. Soon and very soon we're gonna have some tasty eggs.
You see, we can have baby chickens next year.
No, we don't want baby chickens. Remember, we just want eggs, Timo?
The what?
We don't have enough space in the coop for baby chickens. If we're gonna have baby chickens, we have to get a bigger coop.
But why do you call
Apple
it?
tree,
Why do you
blossoming.
Why do you
Where's
call
that, Theo?
Why do you call it coop?
Because that's what it's called.
Coop.
In Jamaica, we used to call it coob. Well, they still call it coob, but the proper name is coop.
Coop.
Oh, balancing.
I wonder where's my Miss Cook. Miss Cook, he left the school.
Put him on that one, yeah.
Mine. Yeah, she left the school. No, Miss Hudson.
Balancing.
See.
You gonna leave them there, Timo?
I got the phone in his hand. Get the birds nesting. Stop! Why I hate getting cut.
Why?
Because when I'm sleeping, it's just going to keep hurting.
And when you have a shower as well, right?
Yeah.
When the soap touches it, it hurts, it burns. Hmm?
I got one right now.
Let me see. What cut you? Oh. That's just a tiny cut, don't worry. You're a big strong boy, right? That don't really matter.
My little foot's got it. It was from here. It was from
Chickens relaxing on the branch.
It was right now. It was right now.
Timo, just put them on the branch and leave them. Timo! Still didn't look in this water tank. A whole heap of water in there. Half the tank. Need some rain now to top it up. I've been using it anyway, giving the chickens rainwater. So Been using it up. Need to clean out this gutter as well. It's not all that bad. Yeah. I'll clean it out one day. One day when I have the time. Chickens! Chicken! Chicken are enjoying the sun just as much as me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. Yeah. Hold a seat and enjoy a beer. Keep an eye on the chickens. Make sure no mongoose to come take them. There's no mongoose here in the UK, but I'm sure something might smell them and try to scoop down and take them. Right, Ada?
Yeah.
Some kind of predator birds.
Like pigeons, those are strong.
Huh?
Pigeons are strong.
I don't think pigeons will eat the chickens, you know. Tim, where you gone left the chickens? You put them on the limb and gone left them.